Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. In a situation whereby or however you don't have Google Chrome on your PC, however it is being removed on your PC, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get it, how to download and install Google Chrome on your PC. So it's very easy and simple to do. So just as it is a new computer, either Windows 10 or 11, you already have Edge browser on your computer. So we are going to use Edge browser to get the Google Chrome on our PC. So without further delay, let's get started. So just open your Edge browser and search for Google. Now this is Google, so just click on that to open the Google official web page. Right, as we are in Google web page, so we need to download Chrome browser. So just search for download Chrome. So once you click on it, there are many websites which will be opened. This is the official site, which is www.google.chrome, and these are other sites which you can still get Google Chrome from, but we need it from the official site, which is Google, because Google Chrome is for Google. So that is at google.com. So we click on this page, this link. Right, so as we are on the official page to download Google Chrome, you see this blue color. So just click on that to download that. Download Chrome. Close this. Right, so Google Chrome should automatically download, or as the saying goes, if your download didn't start automatically, you just click on this, and as you can see, my download did not start automatically, so you just need to click on this to download it. Right, so you can see now it's downloading. Right, so just open the folder, and we have Google Chrome on our PC. So just click on this. That is the exe file, that is the installation file, executional file. So just double click on that and run it. Right, click on yes, and we have Google Chrome loading. So just wait patiently as it's going to connect to the internet to download all the files. So depending on your internet, it's going to be fast or slow. So you just need to have patience for it to download all the Google Chrome files all together and then install it straight onto your computer. So after this, all the steps is going to be downloading. It's going to be taking all the steps all on its own. So you just need to wait for it to execute all the installation of the files all by itself. Right, as you can see, it is saying that download completed. As I earlier on told you, all this is going to be done by itself. So it is now downloaded completely and it's installing. So we just wait patiently. Right, so Google Chrome is being installed onto our computer. So as you can see, automatically it's just opened. Right, so let's minimize this Edge browser, and below here on our desktops here, you can see we have Google Chrome shortcut on the desktop. So let's close this page, close this one, and then so if we open it, you can see it is going to open. The Google Chrome is open all by itself. So if we need any search, so let's search Amnow Tech. Right, so as you can see, Amnow Tech is being searched. So we are on the internet. That is just how to install Google Chrome onto your PC. It's just easy and like that. So either Windows 10 or 11 is just the same step. So guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Peace out.